Hi, I'm April Golightly, and today we're going to be talking about this amazing shoulder bag from Coach. It's called the Teri shoulder bag, and you can actually get this at the Coach outlet. It comes in a ton of different colors, different seasons, different colors. I have it here. I don't think this is still available with the checker print, but basically it's pretty much the same as the other bags that are out there. The Teri shoulder bag, it's the same, it's just different color, and every season they do like a different look. So let's talk about this bag, what fits inside, the exterior, interior, the straps, the size, how to wear it, and all kinds of fun stuff. Let's get started. It is a pebbled leather, which is really soft. And for this bag, I'm not sure if this part is leather. Like, I feel like if it is leather, it's like a different type of leather. It just seems a little bit harder. The same thing, like this part is really soft leather and this part is like a little bit of a harder leather. And that's, I can't look it up online because it's not available anymore, so I can't tell you exactly, but it probably is leather, just like a different kind. So that it could be printed on. But it seems like the other bags, most of the other bags are just straight up leather, this pebbled leather, which again is very soft. And then the hardwares change depending on the bag. For this one, it's like a shiny silver hardware, and some of them have gold hardware or silver hardware. So the bag itself actually comes with two straps, a like crossbody strap and a like shoulder bag strap, which is so cool, especially considering the price point on these bags. It says the original price is $398, but then usually the Coach outlet, you can definitely get the bag for like about like 150, 160, 170, depending on the sales. Obviously, like the newer the style is, the more expensive it will be, but the like longer it's around, like the cheaper the percentages off get. Like basically, like you can get it for 60% off, and then as the color gets older, you'll be able to get it cheaper. So anyway, right now there's a few on here. There's like a classic signature canvas, and that one is $199 at 43% off. So that one's canvas. And then like a straight up just black with the C on it, with a silver strap, like a chain strap, and a black bag. That one is $199. And I guess it looks like the bag is different. The values are different based on the fabrications. So like the canvas original value is $350, whereas like the full completely leather with the C on it, original value was $428. And now $199, which is really good for like a full leather bag, and something that has two straps with it. That's really cool too. And then also you're getting like the logo of Coach too with it. Let's just get into the details of the bag in general. So it has like these D-rings right here, D-ring here and a D-ring here, and then that way you're able to swap out the straps on both sides. And then it has a zipper compartment that the zipper goes and opens. So it has a zipper compartment where you can open it up the most. Let's talk about the interior. So on the interior, you have a little pocket right here. There's a fabric lining on the inside, and then you have two card slots on this side. The bag itself does not have any pockets on the outside besides just the main compartment. Let's talk about what fits inside. So here I have my Coach wallet. I actually got this from the outlet too. It's a kind of a wallet fanny pack. This is my key holder. This one's from Stony Clover Lane. It's just a tiny little card case. Then I have this like mini planner thing that I have. It's pretty decent sized, but so that I can keep all of my dates and stuff inside my bag. Everything that I'm showing here is actually going to be linked down below. So if you're interested, you could check them out and get more information about this bag specifically or stuff that fits inside of it. This is the Coach wristlet, and I actually keep some of my makeup and goodies inside of it. This is also available on the Coach outlet website and also in store. I have my little makeups here. I have some lip gloss, powder, a little powder puff, an eyeglass cleaner, some concealer, and then I have a few extra gift cards in here as well. Also, I have a tweezer, hair ties, everything that I might need. Pack actually goes pretty much with everything. It's kind of a neutral black and white in general. Here I'm wearing it with a beige top and black pants. Also, just like bright colors, it goes really well with. Also, obviously, black and white, and all kinds of things. Just think about black and white, or just pretty much go with everything. So, if you're totally into the print, this would work for it. So, depending on which purse you actually like, there's a ton of neutral colors. So, definitely check those out because they totally work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out these other videos about the other bags that I absolutely love, and let me know in the comments down below another bag that you'd like me to check out and review and give you some advice on it. Thanks.